All right, we're going to talk about the movers that we are watching, individual movers right now, before we pause for the opening bell. Oracle is one of those that we're watching. Their shares are a little changed. They're down just about 0.75%. The computer technology company reporting fiscal 2023 first quarter earnings, beating on revenue estimates, seeing a 45% increase year over year in cloud revenue. Now, what we had been seeing, because they missed on the earnings per share number, we had been seeing that those cloud revenue numbers and just revenue generally sort of was outweighing the miss that had been seen in the earnings per share number. Looks like, judging from the shares, that's not necessarily any longer the case. But the company has been trying to build up what's called cloud infrastructure. This is when it lets people store and compute stuff on their servers. They've been competing more and more with Microsoft and Amazon on this, even though those companies have a bigger business. Yeah. They bought Cerner, so they're building it up in healthcare cloud infrastructure in particular.
Yeah, it's been interesting to see some of the costs rise in tandem with that. And so the build out, X the acquisition or sans the acquisition here, they're still seeing operating expenses up 34%. Of course, they did say much of that was mainly due to adding in Cerner's expenses in the mix of their businesses. So that's critical to think about.